Great day and welcome. Thank you for tuning into the Consciously Abundant Now Network. I am Kim Yata, and today on Numbers and You, we're going to be jumping into the expression number or destiny number. But as always, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you won't miss out on any pertinent information that can help change your life. And before we get into the talking point, I just want to share the importance of knowing how numbers affect your life. As I stated in one of my first videos on the topic of numbers, there are only 9 numbers in the universe, and they are an intricate part of our life. Uh, they can help you, they can guide you. As I stated yesterday in the last video, that there is not to 100%, give you a 100% path to your life, but if you guide your life based on the numbers that have to do with your birthday, your name, anything that has to do directly with you, it's a vibration, it's an energy for you. It's a map for you to go by. So it behooves me that people don't want to know what their numbers are. You have to understand that they're important. It can help guide you through this matrix into the fifth dimension that we've shifted into. I need you to understand that there's a and I'm sure you know that there's a lot going on but in the world, but it's more than what you see. It's more than what you see. That's why early on I told you that there is nothing to fear. You have nothing to fear. Dive into yourself. At this point, you should be meditating. You should have already gone to my website, www.consciouslyabundantnow.com, and taken me up on the offer there and begin implementing those methods that we're sharing with you. Now is the time. Don't go looking for somebody to give you the answers to what's already inside of you. I implore you, please go within. Now is the time to go within. Matter of fact, I challenge you. I give you a challenge right here. Turn off the TV. Don't watch the news. Get off social media for 21 days. Are you able to do that for yourself? Not for me, not for your mom, your dad, your children, but for you. What are you willing to do for you? It's crunch time now, y'all. It's crunch time. Stop playing with yourself. Stop playing with yourself. Dive into yourself. See what numbers resonate with you. See what numbers you were born with. And then apply it. Get the information. Get the information. But then at some point, you're going to have to use some application. You got to apply it. It's not enough just to get the knowledge. You have to apply it. So with that, let's get into this talking point about the expression number or destiny number. So, okay, with that, how's your life, everybody? Okay. Are you ready to continue with our journey into the exciting world of numbers? Of course you are. So today, as I stated, we're going to continue learning about the second important core number, which is the expression number or destiny number. While our life path is fixed, since we cannot change the date of our birth, expression number might change if the name of a person is changed. It's a bit more complicated than a simple name change, but you get the drift. So many numerologists argue that life path number is more important than expression number. And some say that the expression number is more influential over a human's life. Personally, I see both of them as equally important. I believe that we have to deal in life with 50% of things that are given to us and we cannot alter. But hey, there's also free will. So if you feel like changing your name and it will make your life more harmonious, then go for it. Do it. Do without wilt. If your parents have changed your name while you're a toddler, they were probably inspired to do so for a reason. So, expression number usually hints at areas that a person enjoys working with, like the gifts and talents and the natural inclinations. It's important that your expression number does not conflict with your life path number, which sometimes happen. Expression number also talks about our shortcomings and weak areas that we need to work on. So, in order to calculate the expression number or destiny number, you'll need to have a table with English alphabet letters and their numerical values. So, here's one that I created just using the PowerPoint table creator, and you make 9 rows, nine columns, 9 rows, five, 4 columns. And so you're gonna do it exactly as you see right here. Of course, you can pause and go back and see exactly what I did here. Now, then you have to find out the full name of the person as it's written on their birth certificate or on his or her passport, for instance, and then do the calculation. So today I'm honored to use my mentor's name, Wesley Version. Now, I'm not sure what his middle name is. This is just an example. So we're just using first and last name. It's an example, okay? So, step 1, you have to calculate the numerical value for each name separately. Now, if we get a master number, we don't reduce them to simple numbers. Okay? So, as you can see here, we have Wesley Version, and then using this table right here, we get the numerical value for W, E, S, L, E, Y, and then we get the numerical value for the VIRGIN. Step 2, as I'm showing you here, we add those numbers together but each name separately. So the value for the name Wesley equals 26. And then the value for Virgin equals 43. We add 26 and 43 together to get 69. Since 69 is not a master number, we're going to further reduce that number by adding 6 plus 9, which equals 15. 15 is not a master number, so we're going to reduce the 15 by adding the 1 plus 5, which equals 6. So I feel compelled to tell you that if you have an expression number 6, that means that your destiny is to nurture others. The world is in need of more people like you, because you help to solve problems and you're a great inspiration. You're a non-dictatorial leader, which you don't dictate, you inspire. And just from, I've yet to have any personal interaction with Wesley, but I've watched dozens and dozens of his videos, and he is consistent in his demeanor. He's consistent in his information. He's consistent in how he is. And so he's a very inspirational person, and I can see how he nurtures others. So, yeah, it makes sense that his expression or destiny number is a 6. So, you need to remember to always add the numbers of each name separately and only then add the results together, as I just showed you. And please don't forget about keeping the master numbers without reducing them. Then also remember that each core number has a different explanation attached to it. For instance, number 1 as an expression number manifests differently from number 1 as a life path number. So, you want to learn more about your personal numbers? I would love it if you'd email me at consciouslyabundantnow@gmail.com, or if you're just simply ready to use your mind to manifest and change your life right now. Visit us at www.consciouslyabundantnow.com. I challenge you. The time is now. It's 2021. It's a year 5. It's a time of change and chaos. But more often than not, chaos brings about change. That change can be positive or negative. But if you take me up on my offer and go to our website and follow through with the offer that we're giving you there, your life can and will change for the positive. It's we don't have to live a harsh life anymore. Things are changing rapidly. Are you going to, how can I put it? It's going to change whether you do it deliberately or not. So why not make the change deliberate? You create your own reality. Okay, and with that, I'd like to thank you for tuning into the Consciously Abundant Now Network. I am Kim Yata, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. With that, y'all, peace.